Hey guys, DS3 and DS4 are expanding their electrified offerings with hybrid technology. The DS3 and DS4 ranges benefit from a new electrified option. Hybrid powertrains combine a combustion engine with all of DS's Formula E experience. They offer comfort and versatility with a battery that recharges during braking and deceleration, opening up the possibility of achieving more than 50% of a city trip emission-free. In 2025, DS Automobiles will take a decisive step in its electrification strategy with the arrival of hybrid technology, a self-charging hybrid alternative offering improved comfort and energy efficiency. Battery management is fully automated, charging and discharging according to driving conditions without the need for a plug-in. This technology enables silent starting using only electric power, only using the internal combustion engine when more power is needed. Hybrid powertrains combine two types of power for remarkable driving comfort and exceptional efficiency. The ability to drive solely with the electric motor offers quieter operation, unparalleled comfort, and a truly smooth ride. For short urban journeys, it is possible to use electric mode for more than 50% of the journey time, with fuel consumption savings of up to 40%. On the road, the combination of internal combustion and electric power offers efficiency and flexibility. The electric motor provides additional torque at low revs and, during hard acceleration, a power boost, increasing performance while reducing fuel consumption. If you find our channel useful and interesting, please feel free to click this subscribe and notification button so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I love you guys.